Singapore, 734 square kilometers and 6 million people, and zero mountains. But just a flight to Islamabad and one unforgettable road into Gilgit, a completely different world opens up. Welcome to Bagrot Valley, Gilgit-Baltistan, a hidden alpine world where the air is cooler, the sky feels closer, and every turn looks like it belongs in a dream Singapore forgot to have. And then comes Gargo Meadows, endless green carpets stretched beneath snow-covered giants. No crowd, no ticket counters, no man-made viewpoints. Just pure wilderness, untouched, unscripted, and unreal. No malls, no meetings, no humidity chasing like Orchards Road in July. Just river that actually sounds alive. Pine forest older than cities, and wind so clean your lungs might just resign from air-conditioned life. The home here tells stories too. Traditional mountain houses built with woods, stone, and generation of wisdom. No luxury hotels can replicate the warmth of chai in a local home with glaciers outside your window. And there is a shepherd life, slow, raw, beautifully human. Herds moving through meadows, smoke from stone huts, stories around fire, and the rhythm of life that Singapore hasn't heard in a very long time. Singaporeans fly to Hokkaido for cold air, to New Zealand for mountains, to Switzerland for meadows. But brother, Bagrot gives you all three in one frame and still feels like a secret. Some places impress you, some places entertain you, but Bagrot Valley does something rare. It resets you, it reminds you what silence sounds like, what distance feels like, and what life becomes when stop rushing through it. The hidden world is now being brought closer to Singapore by the untold direction. Through incredible journeys into the untouched north of Pakistan, Bagrot Valley is not far, it's just waiting for the right people to discover it.